Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Rose Quartz on Dress to Impress. So let's get started with the video. You don't need VIP except if you want the sword, but the rest is completely free. I'm going to be removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments on, which is the hair per usual. I did use a lot. Select this hair in this color, FF9B9D. Position the Z to 0.47 and rotate and scale the same. Select this hair in that same color, no adjustments made. Select this hair in that same color, no adjustments made. Select that hair in the same color in the back toggle. Rotate the X to 0.52 and scale it to 0.67. Grab this hair in that same color in default and rotate the X to 0.53. Grab this hair in the toggle no bangs in the same color and scale it to 0.65, and then grab this afro in D78384 and scale it to 0.53. For the outfit, you're just going to need a few items here. Grab this dress and color it this light color, FFE4E4 in glitter for both. Grab this dress in that same color in glitter. And then for the bow, we're going to color it this color, E89C9C in silk. And then, actually let's do light silk. And then for the last one, we're going to do silk in this color, CF6390. Grab this in skirt only in this color. I think I did this one, FFC2C2 in glitter for both. And then we're also going to get the witch skirt in that same color in glitter. And then we're going to grab this skirt here, the one that is very long and touches the floor, this one. First in this color, the same, FFC2C2 in glitter. And then we're going to change it up to FFA4A4. Go to the currency item and grab this dress in only skirt and no layer. Color it the same, FFA4A4 in glitter, like so. Then for the shield, we're going to grab this one in the first toggle. Color the first color this pink, peachy color, and then this light pink, and then this blue, D1F0FF. Now for the sword, because the only way you can see the face is the double one. Select that one. Color the first color this pink here. The second one this lighter pink in, I guess, silk. And then the third and fourth, I'm just going to color it this pink. And that is it. That is Rose Quartz for you. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!